Mini inverter wiring instructions, multiple zones. Normally on lights, 4-circuit option. For all wiring scenarios, here are some points to keep in mind. All emergency lights must be on the same circuit. Use either 120 or 277-volt lines. The input and output voltages must be identical. Here is how to wire lighting fixtures controlled by ABB's mini inverter 0 to 10 volt dimming controls in multiple zones. The mini inverter with 4 circuits and load shedding capability can detect the loss of utility power and dim lighting fixtures connected to the mini inverter to a present level of brightness during emergency mode. In this example, we have several zones, and each zone has multiple lights that are controlled by a 0 to 10 volt wall dimmer. Wire the 0 to 10 volt wall dimmer from the first zone to the first 0 to 10 volt dimming control input of the mini inverter. Wire the first 0 to 10 volt dimming control output of the mini inverter to the 0 to 10 volt dimming control inputs of the drivers of the lighting fixtures in the first zone. Repeat the wiring procedure for the 0 to 10 volt dimming controls for every zone. Wire the switched and unswitched inputs of the mini inverter to the electrical panel. Wire the normal lighting fixtures that will be controlled by the wall dimmers but will not operate as emergency lighting to the electrical panel. Wire the 120 or 277 volt output from the mini inverter to the lighting fixtures that will be used as emergency lighting. This example illustrates one light being used as emergency lighting per zone. When AC mains power is on, all the lights are controlled by the wall dimmers. When AC mains power goes out, the mini inverter will bypass the 0 to 10 volt lighting control wall dimmers, and the emergency lights will be dimmed to a present level of brightness. The present level of brightness can be 25%, 50%, or 75%, and is determined by DIP switches located within the mini inverter. For more information about mini inverter electrical designs, contact technical support.